Today we're going to learn restaurant English, ordering food and drinks. We'll practice real role plays and do mini quizzes so that the next time you visit a restaurant, you can order confidently in English. Ready? Let's dive straight in. Hi everyone. I'm Scarlett and you're watching Mr. English Academy. Here we help you speak real-life English step by step. So make sure you subscribe if you're new. Now let's get started. Lesson overview. In a restaurant, there are 4 main steps of conversation. 1. Greeting and asking for a table. 2. Looking at the menu and asking questions. 3. Ordering food and drinks. 4. Asking for the bill, paying. We'll cover each step with dialogues plus short quizzes. Slide. Step 1. Greeting and asking for a table. Here's how you ask for a table politely. Host, good evening. Welcome to Spice Garden. How many people are with you? You, good evening. A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please. We'd like a table near the window. Is there a waiting list? Repeat after me. A table for 2, please. Mini quiz 1. You're with 3 friends. How will you ask for a table? Pause 5 sec. Correct answer. A table for 4, please. Step 2. Looking at the menu and asking questions. Waiter, are you ready to order or do you need more time? You, could you please recommend something special? Waiter, our grilled chicken pasta is very popular. You, that sounds good. Does it come with bread? Useful phrases. Could you recommend something special? Does this come with rice bread? Is this dish spicy, sweet, gluten-free? The mini quiz. How will you ask if the soup is spicy? Pause 5 sec. Correct. Is the soup spicy? Step 3. Ordering food and drinks. Waiter, what would you like to have? You. I'd like the grilled chicken pasta and a glass of fresh orange juice. Please. Waiter, anything else? You. That's all for now, thank you. Useful phrases. I'd like the dish, please. Can I have a glass of drink? That's all for now, thank you. A tip I'd like. Sounds more polite than I want. In mini quiz 3. Order politely, you want chicken curry and water. Pause 5 sec. Correct. I'd like the chicken curry and a glass of water, please. Step 4. Asking for the bill, paying. You. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please? Waiter. Of course, I'll bring it right away. You. Can I pay by card? Waiter. Yes, we accept cards. Useful phrases. Could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by card, cash? Keep the change, thank you. Mini quiz 4. Ask politely for the bill. Pause 5 sec. Correct. Could we have the bill, please? Quick recap. Let's quickly review the 4 steps. Greeting and asking for a table, looking at the menu and asking questions, ordering food and drinks, asking for the bill, paying. Practice these dialogues a few times and you'll feel confident anywhere. Awesome work! You just learned restaurant English step by step with role plays and quizzes. Tell me in the comments, what's the first dish you'd love to order in English? If you found this lesson helpful, hit like, subscribe to Mr. English Academy, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a class. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Watch next lesson, Mr. English Academy.